Good morning, SMF MMTs. Once again, we're back to Human Genome Sciences. We have 100 put contracts. Our price is not $1.99. Our price is about $1.02. And we're up $1. We're really up about 10 grand on this trade. And the thing about it is that everything says that we get approval. Everything has met the human genome criteria. Everything has met that anything could ever want on a checklist is to take the profit. Well, what I'm supposed to be doing, and I said this prior to this 1,500 put contract sold a penny below the bid here. And the guy came out of all 1,500 of his leverage for the downside in case there was an approval. He must have a very big position to have 1,500 of these $15 puts. And he came out with his money. He came out and he took a profit. He probably bought them down there where we did. And he sold them because everything says that you don't hold them based on where we're really at. We put them on there just because we buy that back end where we can sell for a big profit and take this side of the trade as extra revenue, and that's what we're supposed to be doing. However, I am locked in the position just as we had paid here 100 contracts. We got a 100 contract position. We paid 35 cents for these. And we're supposed to be coming out of these. It's a $10 put. And the thing about it is this is a $15 put. And we're up $1. We could put a bid out there right now, take 10,000 here. I could dump 100 here and double my money at 75 cents. And between the two trades right here on the put side, I'm cashing in about 13 or 14,000 extra revenue. But I'm 6,000 shares deep, and God knows that we have added to the position accordingly, and we own a lot of call contracts. We own a lot. Here, 110 contracts were up. $30 call. 110. 2011. Here. HGSI. Different strike altogether. A $25 call. Up $4,200 in value today from the manipulation. And that's a 416 $25 call. 80 of those. Hey, here's 40 of the 416 $30 call. We have a lot of contracts. 30 calls that we picked up here for $6 and whatever it was. It's a $25 call. 2012, we picked them up at $6.20. We've got 29 of these. 121 of 2012 $30 call. Got 29 contracts. How about this one? 191, and I'm going to put an order out to sell on this one here. 191 contracts at $9.20 on the 40. And why? I'm going to go CBO. And I'm going to put a limit order out for today. I don't expect that that will happen. In fact, I know it would have to go up $7. It doesn't do that unless the stock gaps up. And basically, our cost is about $3.50, I think, or a little more, maybe closer to $4. But once again, it's 191 contracts, and I'm going to put a sell out there. If I go a good till cancel order on the 40, which I'm comfortable with, even if they gapped up above the 920, they got to give me the best print in the market, and people don't know that. So let's just say that they came out with an approval and they gapped the stock up $10, and these gapped up $7 or $8 to around 10, 10.5, or 11. They would have to execute me at the first print on all 191. They have to give me the best price. Okay, and we'll have MMT Scotty. Here's another one.
$150,000.
Here's 110 contracts for January, and I've got 110 contracts. Am I here? I'll tell you what. I'll hold on to 10, and I'll put out 100 at it would be, our cost is about $3, $3.50. I'll put them out at 8.50. CBO, good to cancel. Sell. 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 There it is. $85,000 back in money. Right here. Hit OK. What are some of the other ones that we have here? Of course, these are the puts. That one there is, and so is this one here. And I don't think we have any more than that. We've got 6,000 shares of the name. However, let's go back to our tab view on live orders. Our live orders, 8.5, 920, 9.5, 191. Let's put out some of the other ones. I'll tell you what we'll do. Why we're doing it. Here, I've got 100 at 8.5. I've got 191. So far, I've only got 2 of the bigger orders out there. Another thing that I can do is I can go over here to the $80 one. I don't think I put this one out. That's the $2011 call. And I've got 80 contracts. I can put these out at, let's see, let's call it 14.50 on a sell. And let's make sure, and that's $116,000 coming back into the account if we get it. Actually, let me cancel that because I want to put it out on CBO. ASE, CBO, price 80, sell, 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 and $116,000. I've got 40 of these. That is a $30 call. And on the 40 of these, on the quantity, I can CBO it. I can do a GTC and approval on the puts.